This sticky pumpkin rice cake will definitely be a hit, especially for next week's Lunar New Year. Happy New Year, everyone! And welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pain. First, we'll start with a slurry. If you're new to my channel, the full written recipe is in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. And stir continuously until the milk has evaporated. Transfer into a mixing bowl and then add the first cup of glutinous rice flour. Mix just to incorporate. I use fresh steamed pumpkins here. You can also use canned pumpkin puree. And mash to combine. Add it to the dough. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Mix this until there is no more white flour, and then add the second cup of glutinous rice flour. Check your dough for consistency. Mine seems a little bit wet, so I'm going to add a little bit more flour. Add about a tablespoon of flour at a time. Mix to thoroughly combined until the dough can hold its shape. Now mine is a little bit too dry. I'm going to add a tablespoon of milk. Again, add more or less as needed. The dough should be the consistency of Play-Doh. Divide the dough into equal portions, shape it into a ball, and then flatten it. Making sure the outside is a little bit thinner. I filled mine with a roasted coconut and peanuts. 1 tablespoon should be good. I will have the recipe for the roasted coconut and peanut filling at the end of the video. Fold in the sides and press in gently to seal it. And then flatten it. Press dough together to seal any cracks as necessary. And I do have tips and guidelines at the end of the video to help you be successful in baking in your rice cooker. Rub some oil on it. And then sprinkle it with 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seeds. I did use a mix of white and black sesame seeds. This is completely optional. Do the same on the other side. Another filling option is red beans. They are sold in cans or bags. Grease your rice cooker and line it with parchment paper for easy removal. Paper towel to catch condensation. Then press cook. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Flip the cakes after 30 minutes. Cook and set another timer. These look pretty good, aren't they? There are a few burnt spots because this is a very hot rice cooker. The outside is hardened, but the inside is still soft and chewy. I cooked a few in my tightly sealed rice cooker. Bake 30 minutes on each side. And these are soft on the outside and also very soft and chewy on the inside. You can pan fry these as well, but hey, this is a rice cooking baking recipe. Another way is to use your air fryer. I did air fry 8 minutes on each side. Oh yeah. These are crispy on the outside and soft and gooey on the inside. If you like rice cooker cakes, please like and share this video and comment below what other rice cakes you make. I would love to know. If you are brand new to my channel, welcome. I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. That way you are notified when I upload a new recipe. So until next time, have a great new year everyone. This is a 2 sweet tooth sweetness level.